Once log in our site, above you can see our site name. Hover over the mouse, you can get the option dashboard. Click on it. This is the dashboard. Here you can create the posts or upload your media files, images, videos and etc. In the command option you can read all of the visitors command. Also you can set your profile. You cannot change your username as well as your password. Don't try to change your password, but you can change your email address. In the dashboard, two way you can create the post using in the sidebar menu under the top. Now I select the new button and select post. This is the blog editor. You can add a title of your post and you can start writing by click on start writing. You can write your matter. The default block is paragraph block. In the top menu you can see content structure information button. Click on it. Here you can see how much word are in the block and how many headings and paragraph and block. We have 24 words in this post, no heading, one paragraph, one block. I want to create another block. Click on this plus button. You can choose any block you want. Page break, paragraph, image, heading, gallery, lists. Now I want to select another paragraph. Here the cursor blinks. I type this is heading 1. Whenever you can change the block type. In the above configuration settings, first you can see change block type. Click on it. I want to change it heading. Here you can see heading option. I want to select heading 2. To hit enter button in the keyboard, to create new block, I want to type heading 2. Click on change block type, choose heading. Now I want to select heading 3. Here you can see the differences. Again I want to check the information. Click on the content structure information. Now you can see 28 words, 2 headings, 1 paragraph. Now we created 3 blocks in our posts. Many ways we can create the blocks. Hover over the mouse, you can see the plus button here. Click on it. You can see the block options. I want to select heading. Now we had the heading block, and another easiest way you can create the block. Click on the empty area. First you type a forward slash. You can see how many blocks in the blog editor. Page break, heading, image, gallery, list. Select you want. I select image. Now you can see the image block is added. Also you can add block by type the block name. Click on the empty area. First type forward slash, then type image and hit enter. The image block is appeared. You can upload an image from your computer, or you can easily add the image URL. Click on it and I paste the image URL and hit enter. Now you can see the image is appeared. Now I want to show some more options. Click on the block and select a word. Click the bold button to bold, or click italic to italize. Also select a word and click on the link button and you can paste the link. Now the text converted to hyperlink, and click this 3 dots more option button. Here you can duplicate the block, insert a block before or after. Here you did no HTML, you can select edit as HTML and edit the block, or you can edit as HTML. Also you can export the black and you can reuse the black. I am not covering reuse blacks, so I leave it. Here you can remove the black. If you want to move any black, select a black and go to your left side. You can see move up button. Click on it. The black is moved. And if you want to move down, click on down button. The black is moved down. In your right side you can see black options. Now I select paragraph black. So here you can see drop cap option. Enable it. The first letter is capitalized. This is drop cap. And I want to select this image option. Now I want to select this image black. Now the black options are changed. Now I want to add a button. Click on the empty area. Hit slash and type button. And select the button. Here you can change the name of the button. I want to change it download. In your right side you can see all of the button options. You can change the layout of the button. I select outline. You can see the button is converted to outline. Now I leave it fill. Here you can add the download link. I go to this page. Right click on the image. I copy the image address. Now I go to our website. Hit backspace and Ctrl V to paste the URL. Now the URL is successfully placed. Here you can set the download button size, small or medium. Also you can change the alignment of the button, left, center or right alignment. I leave it default. And you can change the link option. In the link option you can set when the button is clicked, I want to open a new page, so I enable the new tab. Here you can change the background color, text color and margin, padding, anything you want. Also you want to hide the options, click on the close button. Now the options panel are disappeared. You want to enable it again, click on the gear icon. Now the options appeared again. Click on the three dots icon. Here you can see top toolbar. Click on it. You can see top toolbar options is appeared. Or if you want to exit full screen mode, click on it. The sidebar is appeared in your left side. I check full screen mode. Also you can enable spotlight mode. Other blocks are invisible. Your currently working block is active. Also you can move the block by this toolbar. Click this move up button. The block is moved. Click this down button. The block is moved down. I come to this document option. Here you can select your post category. My post category is animation, so I check animation. And here you can add many tags to your post. I want to add Camtasia, screencast, screen recording, and select the tag is appeared. You can add your tag according to your post. Anytime you can preview your post. Click on the preview button. This is the preview of your post. Once you satisfied, click publish button to publish the post.